For a month, millions of machines have run a JavaScript runtime that AI agents rewrote into another language. Nobody noticed. That was the point. Fun is a JavaScript runtime, and Claude Code's engine. The problem was never speed, it was memory. Bundle one project 2,000 times. The old build climbs to 6.5 gigabytes. The rewrite stays at 600 megabytes. They ran it in 11 days with about 60 agents at once. 1 million lines landed. It has shipped inside Claude Code since June. Run strings on the binary. It prints Bun version 1.4. Bun never released it. Nobody read 1 million lines. Nobody could. So the story isn't the writing, it's the checking. Bun's test suite is TypeScript. The rewrite couldn't touch it. 1.4 million assertions, 60,000 tests, none skipped. Then the review. One agent writes the code. Two more see only the diff, not the writer's reasoning. They must assume the code is wrong. This code compiled cleanly. It frees the same memory twice. Rust was built to prevent that bug. A reviewer caught it by hand. The pushback isn't really about Rust. Bun has belonged to Anthropic since December. There is still no published governance document. The tests pass. Nobody noticed for a month. Is that enough to trust 1 million lines nobody read? 19 regressions got through. Zig's assert is a function, so its argument always runs. Rust's is a macro, erased in release. That call registered files for hot reloading. So reloading broke in release, builds only. The part worth keeping has nothing to do with Rust. When a machine writes the code, the thing you review is the checker. They built that first.